It really is happening.
We are going to Bonaire Island.
Woohoo! Hi and welcome back to the Underwater Filmmaking School and today's very special announcement video. It is so special I had to invite Sebastian to come and join me for today's recording. Sebastian, what is so special? What's happening?
Guys, we are going to Bonaire Island and we are offering a underwater videography workshop for 1 week long. And Matthias, tell us more about it.
My pleasure. It's been a long time that we've actually looked at organizing such a workshop, and I know that there is quite a few of you out there who have been waiting for us to come with such a workshop and organize such a workshop, and finally it is happening, and we are very excited to announce this today. We've actually placed our booking at Buddy Dive Resort today for a bunch of rooms, and Buddy Dive Resort is the place that is gonna be our home base, our location for this workshop. Personally, I've been to Buddy Dive Resort twice already, and also twice to Bonaire, obviously. You have been to Bonaire once, if I recall correctly, right? Once. So the two of us, we are quite a bit familiar with Bonaire Island, the diving there, and what it has to offer. And guys, I can tell you, Buddy Dive Resort is the place for such a workshop, especially when we look at the infrastructure these guys can offer, the easiness of the diving and everything that comes along with staying at that beautiful resort. And that's the reason why we've picked this place to host this workshop at. Now, let's talk about the workshop itself and the package that we've put together for you guys. Sebastian, what is included in our package?
So you guys, you get in the package included 7 nights in a 1-bedroom apartment.
Yes, you'll also get 6 days of diving, unlimited shore diving that is.
You will get 7 days of rental car.
There is also going to be 6 boat dives included.
Free nitrox.
And you'll also get American style breakfast.
And free Wi-Fi.
Very important, so you can share all the stuff that you record underwater, and not to forget, you'll also get a airport transfer from the hotel. So these are the things that are offered by the hotel itself. Now let's talk about the workshop that we put into this package as well, and that we've put together for you guys. In the workshop, you will get 6 diving days with the possibility of personal tuition and guidance from myself and Sebastian.
And you will have the possibility to try out some underwater gear, for example lights or other camera systems, which we will provide for you.
Yes, there's also going to be daily presentations at evening times where we talk about stuff like how to use underwater video lights properly. We'll talk about post-production, we'll talk about storytelling, and a whole bunch of other things.
Most important part, this is going to be a fun-filled week with like-minded divers. So we're talking about sitting together, having a beer in the evening, talking about camera stuff and underwater videography and diving and all that stuff.
Excellent, absolutely. That's what we all live for, and this should be and will be a big part of this workshop. Also, there is going to be a competition, a video competition that we'll be hosting inside of the workshop. So every participant will have the chance to submit one film, one clip, not a clip, but a film actually, that they've produced during that workshop. Towards the end of it, Sebastian and myself will review it, we'll judge those clips, and we'll name some winners, and these winners will be awarded some really cool prizes as well.
And not to forget, you will get free access to the online underwater videography course, which is worth 249 euros. Well, that's alone a
Very good reason to come along on this trip, I would say so. And this online underwater videography course to learn to film underwater is actually a really good preparation. That's why we're including it into this package, because once you've booked your spot, you'll get access to the course and you can already prepare yourself for the workshop so that you can get the most out of the time that we have on location on Bonaire Island. Fantastic. What else do we need to tell our audience, Sebastian?
Well, for me now, is it important that I have already some experience or knowledge in underwater videography before I can join our workshop?
No, it's actually not. We specifically are not limiting the workshop to any specific level of knowledge. It's open to everyone, so it doesn't matter whether you have any experience at all. So even if you haven't done any underwater filming at all, you're more than welcome to join the workshop. But as well, if you are already at a higher level and you just want to sort of tweak your underwater videography skills a little bit, we'll make sure that we can provide you with all you need for that as well.
Cool, perfect.
Yeah.
So, well, for me now, very important is, when is this going to happen?
Very good point. We haven't talked about the date yet. Yes, the date is the 30th of April to the 7th of May. So it's arrival on a Saturday and departure on a Saturday as well. And in between we'll have those 6 diving days with all the good stuff that we've got prepared for you guys there.
Very cool, very cool. But Matthias.
Yes.
Man, we talked now about a lot of cool stuff, but
oh, we did.
Very important point, what is going to cost?
Oh, the price. Yes, absolutely. Yes. We were not going to tell you about the price, but we've just left it to the very last section. But before we talk about the price, let us show you some images of Bonaire Island and give you a bit of an idea what's waiting for you, for those of you who have never been to Bonaire before. Enjoy. So I don't know about you, but when I see these images, I wanna hop onto the next airplane and fly right to Bonaire Island.
Yeah, I'm super excited. Just wanna go there and start the adventure. And if you guys wanna join us on that adventure, please write us an email to
bookings@matthiaslebo.com and we'll take it from there. But now, before we forget again, let's talk about the pricing, right? So, in collaboration with Buddy Dive Resort, we've put, in our opinion, a very attractive package together for you at a very attractive price as well. So for the whole week, with everything that we've mentioned beforehand, it will cost you $1,899 US. And this is based on double occupancy in a 1-bedroom apartment. Now obviously if you don't have a dive buddy, you're traveling by yourself, that's not a problem at all. You can either just upgrade to the single occupancy in such a 1-bedroom apartment, then it's just gonna cost you a little bit more, or you can let us know that you're open to share with someone else, and we'll try and we'll try to see if there is someone else who would also want to share a room, and we'll try to match you guys up so you can save a little bit there by sharing a room with someone else.
So yeah, Matthias, but now I have a buddy and my buddy isn't into video, so can I join anyway?
Oh, Sebastian, that's a very big problem. No, it's actually not. No problem at all. If you have a dive buddy who's not enjoying filming underwater or who's not into filming underwater, you can bring that buddy with you, of course, and your buddy is not going to be charged for the course portion of the entire trip. We'll only charge him, obviously, or her, for the regular price that you would pay for a 1-week stay at Buddy Dive Resort. So that's no problem at all. If you have a husband, a wife, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, whatever it is, who is not into filming underwater but dives, bring them along, and maybe we can infect them with the underwater filming virus as well during that week.
Yeah, hopefully we do. So guys, I think we heard the most essential information about our workshop. And if you guys have any questions, just put them in the comment section below or write us an email to bookings@matthiaslebo.com and we'll answer them right away. And yeah, hopefully we'll meet you guys on the island of Bonaire in April.
Yes, absolutely. We are very, very excited and fully pumped for this trip. And yeah, that's pretty much all that we have to say for today. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your interest in this trip. Hopefully, we'll see you soon. Until then, happy bubbles and enjoy capturing your underwater adventures.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.